Okay. Now, let's see lesson 82. Rounding two-digit number to the nearest 10. To do this, first of all, I have to know something. I have to know that I have weak numbers and strong numbers. What are the weak numbers? The weak numbers start from 0 and stops at 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting from 5, they became strong numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, I have something called round down and round up. What do I mean by round down? Round down, it means I'm going to make the number smaller, not bigger. But round up, it means I'm going to take the number to make it bigger than the number I have. Let's see the example here. Circle the number on the number line, round the number to the nearest 10. First of all, here he wants you to make it to the nearest 10. So here I have ones and tens, right? Ones and tens. He wanted to the nearest tens. If he wanted to the nearest tens, I'm going to see the number before the tens. What's here? The number is 3. 3 is a strong or weak? 3 is a weak number. 3 is a weak number. So this means it will go to a smaller number. Let's see here. First of all, let's circle the number here on the number line. This is number 23, right? 23 is closer to which number? To 20 or 30? Number 23 is between 20 and 30. So 23 is closer to number 20. Closer to number 20. So now, if the number is weak, this means it will not change number 2. It will not change the tens. It will remain as it is. On the number 9, this means that 23 will round down. I will make the number smaller to number 20. So it became from 23 to number 20. So this means round down to number 20. Let's see the next example, 48. So 48 here. Let's see the ones and tens. This is ones and tens. Let's circle the number first. 48. Here is number 48. If we are on the number line, 48 is closer to which number? It's between 40 and 50, right? Between 40 and 50. So, 49 is closer to number 50, right? If it's closer to number 50, this means, let's do it by another way, by the other way. Closer to number 50, it means it will round up, it will be bigger than this. It will be 50 instead of 48. So let's see, here this number, this is the tens, I will see the number just before the tens. It's number 8. 8 is a strong number or a weak number? 8 is from the strong numbers. This means it will change the tens. It will give her 1. It will give her 1. So here, if I give the 4 1, it will change into 50. So this means 48 is going to round up. It's going to be bigger into number 50. Next, let's see. Round the following number to the nearest 10. He wants you to round up or round down. Let's see if the number after the tens is strong or weak. If the number is weak, this means the number will stay as it is. It will round down to the smallest number. If the number is strong, I will give the tens 1 more, and it will be bigger. It will going to be round up. Let's see here. Ones and tens. What is the number just before the tens? This is 6. 6 is strong or weak? 6 is a strong number. This means it will give the 8 1. It will give the 8 1. So 8 is going to be changed into 9. And the ones will change into 0. So this means the number is round up into 90. The number became bigger. It's not going to be 80. It's going to be 90. Next, number 75. Here. Number 75, it is between 70 and 80. Let's see, ones and tens. if I want it to the nearest 10, so let's see here, the number before the 10 is 5. 5 is strong or weak? Strong. So this means it will give the 10 1. So if I give the 10 1, it will change into 8. And 5 will change into 0. So it rounds up into 80. It rounds up into 80. 49. Let's see, 49 is closer to which number? 49 is between 40 and 50. Here is the ones and here is the tens. The number just before the tens is 9. Is it strong or weak? Strong. If the number is strong, it will give the number 1. So 4, if I give 4 1, it will change into 5. And the number next to it, it will be 0. So this means 49 is closer to 50. It rounds up into 50. 17. 0, ones and tens. The number just before the tens is 7. 7 is also strong. This means it will give the tens 1. If I give the 1 1, it will be 2. And the ones will change into 0. So this means 17 is closer to 20. It means it rounds up into 20. Next, 33. Ones and tens. The number just before the tens is 3. 3 is weak. If 3 is weak, it will not change the tens. Tens will remain as it is. It will go round down. It will round down into 30. Because 33 is between 30 and 40. And if I said round down, it means I will go down to 30, not go up to 40. It will not change. Next, number 81. The 1 here is weak. So 81 is between 80 and 90. If the number here is weak, it means I'm going to change the 8? No, because it's weak. It will remain as it is. And the 1 will change into 0. This means 81 round down to number 80, not round up. Next, here, number 8. Here, if I have 8, I don't have tens, right? No, I have tens. The tens is 0. So the ones is 8 and the tens is 0. If 8 is a strong number, this means it will give the tens 1. So here, 0 plus 1, it will be 1. And the ones will change into 0. So this means that 8 change into 10, round up into 10, because 8 is between 0 and 10. So it round up into 10. 24, here, 4, ones and tens. 4 is weak. This means it will not change the tens. 2 will remain as it is, and it will give a 0 next to it.